Hello, I will speak English. I hope you don't mind. My German is not yet that fluent to express fluently. So I'll talk about CoderDojo. So my name is Bartosz Bierkowski, and since a year there's a CoderDojo in Zürich. And like in June last year, I took over organization of it. Here together with me is Ale. He's one of our mentors, helps a lot around. If needed, he knows German, so yeah. So what is a CoderDojo? So actually it's a coding club for kids, a programming club for kids. And first one took place in Ireland a couple of years ago. And it's really a place where kids learn programming in their own pace, not according to some rules and so on, but just in their own pace. Behind the CoderDojo there's a foundation, but really the goal of foundation is to promote it, is to create some community for the organizers to exchange the experiences. And it leaves a lot, just freedom how to organize the CoderDojo locally. There are really many CoderDojos around the world, over 400 currently as I checked last time, but only 2 in Zurich. And in Zurich how we organize is we basically committed to do it every Sunday. So we have several mentors, we have many kids. We meet every Sunday for 2 hours to do some programming together. And we do it this way that everyone is free to join basically every weekend. We don't have a strict program to follow, so kids and mentors rotate. Like, if you have time, just come and join us. If you don't have time this Sunday, okay, you don't lose anything because there's a Sportferien or something, right? So you're free to join every time when you want, and we have only one rule: be cool, right? You don't have to sign 5 pages regulations. You just come. Our rule is be cool. It's introduced to everyone every week, so everyone knows it and for sure remembers it. And it's really no stress. We have sponsors, but basically the role is to give us space. We started at Collab last year and moved to Leap in September last year. Both companies are really awesome for the communities. They support generally the programming communities, organize events and so on. And they gave us the space so we can just meet there. And how we work? Well, basically every session is starting with introductions. Since we mix, we introduce mentors and introduce kids, so it's like everyone knows each other, we can directly talk to each other. When the new ninjas join us, we start with Lightbot, which is an excellent tool because you don't have problems with syntax, right? You just have a problem to solve. And gradually the difficulty of exercises grows, right? I mean, I didn't pass it, but there are several stages. Oops, yes?
Who does not know Lightbot?
Lightbot? Oh, okay.
Es ist ziemlich einfach. Es gibt
Mikrofon?
Es gibt so einen Weg, einen Weg, wo ein Roboter muss durchgehen und das Kind muss einfach die Befehle eingeben und starten. Es ist wirklich sehr grafisch, man muss nur draufklicken, man kann sortieren, starten und wieder probieren, bis es funktioniert. Oder
Yeah. Oh, we have a second one, perfect. Okay, yes, so Lightbot, and it's a really great introduction. Usually, like, no matter if you have 6-year-old or 15-year-old, they start with Lightbot. They ask us the question, is this really a programming? But soon they learn that's really like that. Our main tool is Scratch. So who doesn't know Scratch? Yeah. Okay, so Scratch. Yeah, just explain it. Yes.
Teil davon. Also es ist eine ganz einfache Sprache, sehr visuell. Es sind Puzzleteile, die man zusammensetzen. Also wir haben sehr junge Kinder generell, also sehr viel zwischen 8 und 10. Sie können ungefähr lesen, nicht alle, wirklich gut. Und sie können schreiben, aber. Und sie schaffen richtige Programme damit zu machen. Sie müssen nur Zahlen reinschreiben, kleine Wörter, Und ja, es ist alles sehr strukturiert und es gibt keine Syntaxfehler. Also das Programm funktioniert immer technisch gesehen. Macht nicht immer, was das Kind will, was auch nicht funktioniert ist, aber das Kind kann das weiterentwickeln, bis es läuft, wie er das will. Und sehr viel mit Bildern geschafft und jedes Bild hat sein eigenes Programm. Und wir können es sonst nachher kurz zeigen, falls auf dem Programm Flash drauf, so auf dem Computer Flash drauf ist. Ja, nein, Flash.
Oliver. Okay, it's really a great tool, as Ale mentioned, and we introduce it like, okay, you have an idea, you want to, what would you like to do? Write a game, make a presentation, and some kids work on a game for weeks just to polish it, and every time they make something, oh, a bit more, a bit more, a bit more, and we just help them to progress in their own speed, what they want to, in what they want to do. And it's really awesome, like the 6-year-old joined us, and he had no idea about computers, and during the session, when he made this character move, programming himself to move with arrows, he was like, oh, I have superpowers now, just move away, this is what I want to do in my life. It's really a great experience, he's now a regular now. At the beginning we made a parent-robot programming session, which is like kids write the instructions on a paper, and the parents are the robots that they are programming. So there's a task, okay, we have quite a big room, hey, there is something that the robot needs to bring from the other end of the room, and it's really a lot of fun. We do it when we have like many new kids, because that's a good introduction. It doesn't work that well when already some kids work on Scratch, for example, and other kids would like to do Scratch also. Once in a quarter we make a makey session, so when the kids already did some games, we connect bananas to computers. So kids make like banana piano, for example, where the program is written in Scratch, and they just press bananas and it plays, right? So this is really a lot of fun, and we checked what things conduct electricity, which things we are able to connect to the computer through this small makey board. And soon we're looking at Team Your Robots and Mind Test. Team Your Robots, well, this is something outside of the computer, and you can program it both visually and textually, and as a natural progress from Scratch to some external work to show that it's possible to really influence the world outside of the computer. It's not only needed for the computer itself. And we end every session with a small demo. Whoever has progress in their program did something, we just do a small demo. Okay, could you show us what you did, right? All the other kids can also see what is possible in Scratch, because they are so really productive and have so many ideas. I wouldn't expect that it's possible to do it. But I'm also here to learn, because, well, a year ago when we started, I had no idea how to work with kids. So we have a couple challenges in our groups, and I would be very happy to talk with you if you have some ideas, want to share experiences about how to do stuff, what you're doing. It would be great if you can approach me. I'll be here for the whole day. And so, like, just like me, the few mentors have experience with kids, how to work with them, how to mentor them, right? How to help them solve the problems. And also the idea of CoderDojo is to have ninjas mentoring other ninjas, right? So if there is a kid doing something, knowing already Scratch, we try to encourage them to help other kids who are just starting, right? How to do it better, I mean, it would be great to learn about it. Also, the group work, right? The cooperation with kids, how to improve it, how we can do better in this. So there is no just a silo, right? Everyone is working on something by themselves, but also developing, helping develop to others. And since how we are organized, right? Everyone can join at any time. We have mixture of advanced ninjas and just starters, beginners. And it would be there's always this problem with how to bring the beginners to the same level, right? How to make them progress in their own work. And how to encourage self-development of the kids, not only in the programming, like how to go from scratch to something more advanced, for example, or do some more advanced things in scratch, but also how to develop other competences, right? So how one kid can help another kid without solving the problem with, by themselves, right? But just give some small hints. And another challenge I see is like, well, so far we had ninjas coming from many regions of Switzerland. We have a 2-hour session and parents traveled 2-3 hours just to come for this 2-hour session, which is awesome to see, but the idea of CoderDojo is to have it more locally, right? So you can go to a local programming club every now and then and learn something more, progress in this. And actually, I'm a software developer and I'm a technical person, but it works really well when a non-technical person takes over of the organization of CoderDojo. Like I've seen the CoderDojos where the parents started, or for example, I visited one where the organizer is a 15-year-old, right? All you need is space, people that are technically savvy, and well, some kids, right? But the last one is really easy to find. So I think that we need more CoderDojos in Switzerland, right? To do this. Actually, this one started one in Yverdon-les-Bains, just like as a monthly meeting. So that's it from my side. There are a couple of links. You can also find flyers. Would you like to say something all about? Okay. Okay. Yes. So there are flyers of the Free Software Foundation, and it will be great to share experiences with you all. Yeah, I really came here to learn from you. Yeah. Thank you. Yeah.
Alle genug. Jemand hat nichts verstanden. Ich will noch etwas sagen. Wir sind nicht so gewohnt, mit Kindern zu arbeiten, und trotzdem wir haben gute Stimmung. Ich will Bilder zeigen. CH. Ja. Das sind Bilder, die wir machen immer am Ende vom CoderDojo. Kannst du weiter scrollen? Voilà. Das sind die Kinder, die am Arbeiten sind. Sind wirklich sehr gute Stimmung. Am Ende gibt es immer so einen Vorzeigeeffekt da. Und stopp. Und das sind alle Kinder, die zeigen und schauen. Das ist wirklich eine sehr schöne Stimmung. Abgesehen, wenn sie nachher alle zusammenkommen. Das ist wirklich sehr schön. Was soll ich sagen? Also, was wir von euch als Lehrer könnten brauchen, sind 2 Sachen hauptsächlich. Die eine wäre schön, wenn da wir Programmierer sind generell, wenn ihr einfach mal vorbeikommt, schaut und vielleicht Tipps gebt und schaut, was wir machen. Das wäre wirklich schön. Die andere, wir haben Flyer, wir haben nicht unendlich viel davon. Sie sind im Internet zugänglich, noch nicht auf der Webseite. Die Webseite steht drauf. Ich will nachher den Link drauf noch auf dem Flyer. Und ihr könnt das ausdrucken, und wenn ihr Kinder habt, die besonderes Interesse haben am Programmieren, einfach mit den Eltern, also bis 12 mit den Eltern, und sonst auch, ihr könnt einfach vorbeikommen, dass ihr einfach an Kind könnt Dokumentation verteilen, dass sie nachher kommen zu uns, ihre Programmierskills noch weiterentwickeln. Voilà, das war's von meiner Seite.